we gonna try finding social media accounts using just names. When researching a person using open source intelligence, the goal is to find clues that tie information about a target into a bigger picture. Screen names are perfect for this because they are unique and link data together, as people often reuse them in accounts across the internet. With Sherlock, we can instantly hunt down social media accounts created with a unique screen name on many online platforms simultaneously. Here I'm using Kali Linux. Let's install Sherlock in Kali. Before begin, here is the disclaimer.
The video content has been made available for informational and educational purposes only. This channel does not make any representation or warranties with respect to the accuracy, applicability, fitness, or completeness of the video content. This channel does not warrant the performance, effectiveness or applicability of any sites listed or linked to in any video content.